Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review and demo of SOSUMI or Suzanne Jackson's new contour sticks. I picked these up at the Irish Beauty Show last week or the week before, and I thought I'd do a little demo and review for you guys. Before we get into this video, please make sure you are subscribed and clicked that little notification bell so you know when I upload. Don't worry, I won't bombard you with too many notifications because Lord knows I don't have a great schedule down. Make sure that you're following me on my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and that you also check out my blog in the description bar. So here is how I achieved this makeup look. So thoughts on the sticks. So I picked up the glow, the contour and the concealer. I got the concealer in light and the contour in cool. I really like the concealer and the contour. I'm not the biggest fan of the glow. I don't see the payoff as well as I do with the contour and concealers. But it is nice to just mix it in with your foundation just for a little bit of glow. But if you were on a budget, I wouldn't like be too arsed getting this one. Really like the contour and the concealer though. The concealer in light is quite bright, and today I'm wearing tan, so obviously it looked crazy bright on me, but when I'm not wearing, my foundation shade is porcelain, so this actually is nice and brightening for porcelain shades, as well as like you can throw it on with a bit of tan, like just to brighten up your face a bit. And the contour in the shade Cool is good for pale skin tones. It blends out super duper well and you don't look crazy. They're well pigmented and they blend like a dream, and yeah, you get a load with them. Like, that's as far as it goes. That's a lot. And I know she has kind of like a concealer and contour palette, but you have to, like, it doesn't look that deep. I don't think you don't get as much as you would in these sticks, and with these sticks you don't have to go messing around with like your fingers in there, because like long nails, that's not good, or like messing around with your brushes. It's just easy to draw a few lines on your face and blend it all out. So I'd recommend the contour and the concealer. The glow is grand, but these two are what you want. I also have a blog post all about these as well, so you can find that in the description bar as well for more information and links to where you can find these. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and let me know, come say hi in the comments. Yeah.